Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a limit order on Binance. A limit order allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrency at a specific price you set, or better. This gives you precise control over your entry and exit points in the market, ensuring you don't miss your desired price. It's a fundamental tool for strategic trading, offering flexibility and precision in your trading strategy. To place a buy limit order, first navigate to the trading interface and select limit as your order type. Next, input the exact price you're willing to pay for the cryptocurrency. Remember, this price should be lower than the current market price. Finally, enter the quantity of crypto you want to acquire, then confirm your order. It's a straightforward process. Setting a sell limit order follows a similar path. On the trading screen, select limit and then specify your target selling price. This price should be higher than the current market value to ensure profit or a strategic exit. After setting your desired price, input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Review your details and then place the order. Once your limit orders are placed, you can easily manage them. Head over to the Open Orders section on Binance to see all your active buy and sell limit orders. From here, you have the flexibility to modify the price or quantity, or even cancel an order entirely if your strategy changes. Keep an eye on them, as unfilled orders will eventually expire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.